Hello, this is Logarithms lesson 3. In this, I will discuss questions with variables. Now, these questions are also based on the same concepts that I discussed in the lesson 1. So, what you have to do, you have to first solve yourself by pausing the video, then look at the way I have solved. And this is true for all questions in this slide. So, first question is I am solving, and objective is that you must solve the question in least possible time. Log 729 is, can I say this is 3 power 6. Log 81 is 3 power 4. Minus 1 would be there because plus 1 will become minus 1 here. This will become log y upon log 4. As log n to the base a can be written as log n upon log a. So this power, we know that will come forward. This will become 6 log 3 minus divided by 4 log 3 minus 1. This will be equals to log of y upon log 4. This log 3 and log 3 cancel. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2, means 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, this is 0.5, or you can say the half. This will become this, if complete calculation, this will become half. Half will be equals to log of y upon log 4. Log y will become half log 4. Now this half is forward, this will become the power. This becomes log 4 power half. This will be 4 power half means 4 square root. This will become 2. Now log of y is equals to log of 2. No base is given, you can assume that the base is 10. Now we know that's very important property. Log of m to the base x, log of n to the base x. Base is same, so log and log will be cancelled out. M will be equals to n. So simply you can say that y will be equals to 2. So your answer would be option number 5, that is 2. Second question is log of x minus 1 to the base as root 3 is equals to 6. We need to find the value of x. So can I say this will be equals to log of x minus 1 upon log of root 3. This will be equals to 6. So further you can say that log of x minus 1 will be equals to 6 log root 3. So can I say this will be x log of x minus 1. This 6 will become the power. This becomes log of root 3 power 6. Now what is root 3? Root 3 is 3 power half power 6. When you open the bracket, the power will multiply. This becomes 3 power half into 6, 3 power 3. That is log 27. This will become log 27. Now this is equals to this. Log a is equals to log b. Base is same. So you can simply say that x minus 1 will be equals to 27. X would be 28. So objective of discussing such question, that how to solve this question in least possible time, as I have solved in front of you. Question 3 is log of root x plus 9 plus root x base 9 and further base is x is equal to 0. Now if this question you try to solve with the concept, it will take a lot of time. You can simply see that what value I should put for x so that the final value will become 0. Now you start putting the first option, let's say 4. Now if you put 4, this become x plus 9 would be how much? This becomes 13. Root 13. You know that root 13, if I am putting 4, root 13 will not be completely calculable. So this won't become 0 in that way. So leave this option 4. Same way, if you put 9, so 9 plus 9, this become root 18. 9 plus 9, this become root 18. This although will be solvable, but root 18 again will not give you a complete natural number, because root 18 will comes in fraction or points. 15 plus 9, this will give 24. Again you don't require, root 24 is not give you complete natural number, so this is not our option. 16, Once I put 16, this becomes root 25, this becomes root 16. Now you can see that both root will give me the positive number. This will give me 5, this will give me plus 4. Root 16 is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Now what will I will left with? This is log base was x, this is log base was 9. The 5 plus 4 would be 9. Now you know that log 9 to the base 9, when number and base are same, this can be written as log 9 by log 9. This value will be 1. Now base was x, so we put the value of x 16, so this 16, this value is 1. Now log 1 to the base 16 will 0, because log 1 is 0. Now if this question comes in exam, I can solve verbally. Even you don't have to write that much in exam, that whatever written. Only you have to solve this question verbally by putting the option. This will help you to solve this question in 20 seconds, and that's how you need to solve this question. Then only you will get the higher percentile or rank in your aptitude exam. Fourth question is log x to the base 3, again base 2, log 3, this should be equals to 1. Now pause the video, try to solve this question yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Now this question I can solve with 3 methods. One is concept, logic. First I will solve this question with the help of logic, LOG, stand for logic. Then I will solve with the help of concept or options. 3 method I can solve this question. Now as I told you that each and every question in quant can be solved with the help of either of these, one or more of these: logic, concept, option and assumption. Now first I will start with the logic. If you solve this question with the logic, this will not take more than 20-30 seconds to solve this question. Now what the logic is that, can I say the final value is 1? Can I say this circle value must be equals to 3. If this value is 3, then I can simply say that this will become log of 3 to the base 3, this will become 1. So can I say that the value of this brown circle should be equals to 3. Now what next? How this 3 will come? Because the base is 2 here. So can I say the value of this red circle I am making, this red circle value, that is log x to the base 3. Can I say this value should be, its value should be 8. If red circle value is 8, you know that log of 8 to the base 2. Can I say this will becomes log 2 cube by 2 base 2. This becomes 3 log 2 by 2. This will be equals to 3. So can I say when log x to the base 3 is 8, then only log 8 by log 2, log 8 to the base log 2, this will give me 3, and log 3 to the base 3 will be 1. So what I calculate that this value should be 8. Now what should be x so that it becomes 8? I can simply say that x should be equals to 3 raised to the power 8, because when x is 3 raised to the power 8, 8 power will come forward and this value will become 8. How so? Because let's say log x to the base 3. If x is 3 raised to power 8 to the base 3, power 8 will come forward, 3 by 3. This will equals to 8. So can I say my answer should be x as, x should be how much? 3 raised to the power 8. Now no option is given in the form of 3 raised to the power 8, but 81, I know that 3 power 4 is 81. I can write like this, 3 power 4 square, then I say this 81 square will be my final answer, that is option number 3. Now if I have to solve this question in exam, I can solve verbally without writing. While solving with the help of options, your speed must be fast. Now first I will put the x as 729. 729 is 3 power 6. So once you put 3 power 6, this becomes log of 3 power 6 to the base 3 to the base 2. Again log base is 3. Now this log 3 to the 6 will come forward. This value will become 6. Because 6 will come forward, log 3 to the base 3 would be 1. Now log 6 to the base 2, this will not give me anything solution like 1. So this is not my answer. Second option I try. 81. So this will give me log 3, log 2, log 81 is 3 power 4 the base 3. Now again, if this 4 power will come forward, this will become 4. Log 3 to the base 3 is 1. Now log 4 to the base 2. 4 is equals to 2 square. So log 2 square to the base 2. This 2 will come forward. So this becomes 2 log 2 by 2. This become 1. This become 1. So log 2 by 3 will not give me answer as 1. So this is also not my solution. So 729, 81 is not my solution. Now what about 81 square? 81 square is equals to 81 is 3 power 4 whole square. This will give me 3 power 8. So value of x as 3 power 8. I am putting x as 3 power 8. Now what will happen in this case? You can see that if you put x as 3 power 8, I am just putting here 3 power 8. So 8 will come forward. This log 3 to the base 3 will be 1. So this value is 8. Now what is 8? 8 log of 8 to the base 2. 8 is 2 cube. So I'm just solving here. So this will become 8 is equals to 2 cube. Now again log 2 cube to the base 2. 3 will come forward. This entire value will become 3. Now log 3 to the base 3 will be equals to 1, and that will be my final answer. So 81 square will be my final answer. So that's how you can solve this question with the help of option, and this will take definitely 50 seconds to check if the option is fifth. The best method to solve this question was logic. Third method to solve this question is conceptual method that I'm going to discuss right. Conceptual method I'm solving. Conceptual method. So can I say this can be written as log of base 2 log x to the base 3. This is log 3 is equals to 1. Why so? Because log of n to the base a can be written as log of n by log of a. So base will come forward. Now this 3, in the next step it will become log of base will be 2 log x base 3. This is cross multiply, this become log 3. Now very important concept here. Here the base is same. You can say that base is 10 and 10. So log x a is equals to log b. Very important property. If log a to the base 10 is equals to log b to the base 10, so we can always say that a is equals to b. Log and log will get cancelled out. A will be equals to b. So in this case, this log and log will get cancelled out. So I will left with log of x to the base 3. Log again base is 2. This value is 3. Again apply the same basic method. This will become log of x to the base 3. Log will come here divided by log 2. Because 2 was the base, so I can write log a to the base 2 as log a upon log 2. This is equals to 3. Again cross multiply, you will get log of log x to the base 3. This will become 3 log 2. Again this 3 is in multiplication with log. This will become power. This will become log 2 cube. That is log 8. Now look at this and this. If you compare this and this, again log a is equals to log b. Base is same. Log a is equals to log b. Base is same. So log and log will get cancelled out. This value log x base 3 would be equals to 8. Again you can simplify this like this. Log x upon log 3 will be equals to 8. What about this? Can I say log x will be 8 log 3. This 8 in multiplication with log becomes a power. This becomes log 3 power 8. So finally log x is equals to log 3 power 8. Again you can assume that the base is same. Log and log will get cancelled out. X value will be 3 raised to power 8. Even with the help of concept, this question will not take more than 2 minutes to solve this question in exam with the help of concept. But you must know the concept, as many a time if the question comes difficult, you must know how to solve with the help of concept. Question 5 is log of x to the base 2 again to the base 3 again to the base 4 is 0. Now again this question I can solve with the help of 3 concept, option and logic. So every student you should first try by all three methods, then look at the way I have solved. So first I'm discussing with logic. First method I'm applying the logic. By logic, can I say this value in the green circle should be how much? Which value of log is 0? I know that log 1 is 0. So this complete circle value should be equals to 1. The value in brown circle, because log 1 to the base 4 will become 0. Now if this value should be 1, what should be now? The base, second base is 3. Now what should be number? This value in the red circle should be how much? Can I say this value in this red circle must be equals to 3? The value of this red circle must be equals to 3, because log 3 to the base 3 will give me 1, and then log 1 to the base 4 will give me 0. So the value of this red circle must be 3. Now again, x to the base 2, how this value can come 3? Can I say x should be 2 cube? When x is 2 cube, then 3 will come forward, then log 2 to the base 2 would be 1. So can I say x should be how much? 8. So in this way I can solve this question verbally without writing. The value of x will be 8. So that was with the help of logic. Second method that you have to try yourself is option. As I discussed in the previous slide, how to solve this question with the help of options. You put x as 8, this will becomes 2 cube, 3 will come forward, log 3 to the base 3 will be 1, and log 1 to the base 4 will be 0. Start putting options and we will get 8 will satisfy this condition. And third method was concept. Now concept, I am solving this question. Now important thing to proceed in such question is you have to make the right hand side in terms of a log. So can I say 0 is, can I say I can write 0 as log 1 to the base 4. That's most important concept. 0 you have to represent as log 1. Base would be as the base in the left hand side. In this case it was 4 and 4. I should write 4. Why so 4 and 4? Because when we know that log m to the base x, log n to the base x, then only we can say that m is equals to n. So 4 and 4 base is same, so log and log will get cancel out. So I will simply get log x to the base 2, log base 3, this will be equals to 1. Most important step in this question. Further you know how to solve it. Can I say this will become log of x to the base 2, log will be equals to log 3 equals to 1. Again log m to the base a is equals to log m upon log a. Base you can write as separate log. Cross multiply, this become log of log x to the base 2, this will be equals to log 3. Again base you can assume as same, so log and log will cancel out, so we are left with x to the base 2 is equals to 3. This becomes log x upon log 2 is equals to 3, which means that log x is equals to 3 log 2. Now 3 log 2 can be written as log of 2 cube, that is log of 8. So log x will be equals to log 8, x would be equals to 8. So 8 will be your final answer. Even with the help of concept, this question can be solved in 1.5 minutes, and that is what you need to learn. But the best method to solve such question was with the help of logic, which won't take more than 20 seconds and you don't have to write anything. And that is what you need to learn in order to excel in your aptitude exam. Remember that you don't need to cram the things, no memorization, only concept, option, logic or assumption. With this I am ending this lesson of logarithm 3 questions with variable. I will continue with more questions on variable in the next lesson. Thank you.